Ford Econoline Supervan. The 1969 trying to concentrate, which I'm not doing very well with. Yeah, I can't talk and do this at the same time. It takes too much concentration. The 1969 Ford Econoline E200 Supervan comes from the second generation of Econoline vans, produced from 1968 to 1974. This generation is a big deal because it was the first major redesign after the original 60s van, completely reworked for better serviceability and load capacity. I think this van's really, really cool. It's old, it's clunky, and I think it's a great laugh. I mean, my fat belly's touching the steering wheel because I can't do anything else, otherwise I can't reach the pedals. Because of the United Auto Workers strike in 1967, the redesigned model was delayed and introduced as a 1969 model, even though it was built late 1968. The Econoline name would eventually become Ford's long-lived E-Series line, used in everything from work vans to conversion. This van's heart is a 302 cubic inch 5 litre Windsor V8. Was new to this generation lineup, replacing smaller engines and giving real power for its size. The 302 V8 was part of the Ford famous small block family. It was designed to be versatile, reliable, power plant that fit lots of cars and trucks of the era. The Supervan designation, longer wheelbase about 123.5 inches by 3,136 millimetres, is giving you more cargo and camper space than the shorter version. Fact, back and side doors are interchangeable. The interior is really sparse, there's not a lot here, I don't suppose it needs a lot. And the engine, well, that's in that big bump in the middle. Your speedo, it's great big steering wheel. The transmission is a C4 3-speed automatic and was very popular with Ford's lightweight automatic for the V8s at the time. Smooth and simple. You need arms like Arnold Schwarzenegger to drive this, but it's quite cool. There is just something about it that makes it, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? Different, interesting. Yeah, different and interesting, definitely. And the more and more I drive it, the more and more confident I'm getting. Yeah, it's definitely a laugh. And it's something completely different. You don't see many of them at all, really. And this is when men were real men. Oh. Gives your arms a workout with nothing else. Sweat. Back in the day, you could also get a 302 with either 2-barrel or 4-barrel carburetors, and with roughly 150 to 210 horsepower, depending on the setup. A lot for a van in 1969. Second gen Econoline switched to a front engine layout instead of a mid-engine, making the van easier to work on and more practical. They also borrowed the twin L-beam front suspension from Ford's F-Series truck, which was a big deal for a ride quality on a van of this size. The van is much bigger inside than it looks. The Supervan name wasn't just marketing, it really was designed to carry heavy load or long cargo easily. Keep in mind, these vans weren't built to be sports cars, they were built to haul. 0 to 60 is 12 to 15 seconds, estimated, similar to other V8 vans of the era. Top speed 85 to 95 mph estimated. A torque heavy V8 gives good low end grunt for loaded driving, ideal for towing or heavy cargo. This is a classic workhorse engine and trans combo, probably loud, a bit thirsty, but very characterful. It has the iconic 60s and 70s vibe. This van screams classic Americana. Big grille and boxy camper friendly productions are instantly recognisable. If you're enjoying the content, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this? I really like it, but appreciate it's not everybody's cup of tea. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.